exciting appointment because supportive boyfriend.
Happy wife, happy life!
Woo!
And good morning guys, welcome to a new episode of Tripping the Road. Yesterday we crossed the border to Spain and here we are now.
In sunny Spain.
Yes, the weather isn't that great, but...
And we found this pretty amazing camp spot. We have a view there over the city and mountains.
Some mountains, yes.
And there is the sea.
Right there.
The sun is coming out and we will clean up and then hit the road again.
Now we will show you the place where we slept this night.
Well, never mind, the sun is gone already and it started raining again, but we made it in Hondarribia. Still have to adjust to the Spanish names. We will walk around in the town before we continue further to San Sebastian or Zarautz. Come along, of course.
And time for our first drink in Spain. And of course we ordered a little snack.
First Spanish tapas. And we are already fully installed here at our camp place here in Zarautz. We will be staying here for the next couple of days, 2, 3, 4 days. The weather is absolutely great right now.
And hopefully we will catch some nice waves because the sea is just over there. So fingers crossed for the waves.
Super cool camp spot by the way, super chill vibes, lots of van lifers, and we also saw some rooftop tents as well. So yeah, we will have a fun time here.
For sure.
Yes.
And as soon as we arrived, we went for a nice surf session. It went very smooth. I'm very happy about it. Lia is also happy about it. She improved her surf skills a little bit today.
I'm progressing, but it goes really slowly, but yeah, we take day by day and today was a good day.
Yes. And as you can see, it's pizza night today.
So yeah, we will put everything on the pizzas, we will bake them in the pan and...
Hello from San Sebastian.
Today are rather small waves and as we don't have a longboard, it was not for us the wave, so we decided to drive to San Sebastian and we will be spending the afternoon here.
And now our mission is to find some nice ice cream shop.
I was gonna say gelato, but that's Italian and we don't know the word yet in Spanish, so...
Maybe we'll have to look up on the internet for the basic words tonight.
Because we don't know shit in Spanish,
no.
So this sucks. And I finally found and bought new white shoes because my previous white Nike sneakers were completely dirty, so yeah, new in.
But now it's time for a nice ice cream.
Yes,
let's go.
Now
I have a happy girlfriend, can't complain about that. Happy wife, happy life.
Woo!
And our full tourist mode is engaged. Lia is getting some churros right there for the picture and because we're hungry as well. And with the view it will be a nice shot, I guess. So let's see.
We got churros and I think we got the pic as well. So now we can eat, chill and then I think probably head back to the car. So
now Lia has to shut up. So.
You can already see it behind me, but we did something. We treated ourselves on a third surfboard because like today we discussed it the whole afternoon. The waves were rather small and with this one we can surf as well on days like that.
If we're back in Belgium, I have my longboard
also,
at home. So now Lia has her own too, so it will be fun for us now.
Yes.
And
we can switch it up and we didn't even pay 200 euros for this one, so fun guaranteed.
And I think it will be worth it for the nice shots as well for you guys. This one is for you.
Yay! Give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Yes, everything.
And And good morning, another day in Zarautz.
We are making breakfast because yesterday we bought some goodies in the Decathlon, so now we are making pancakes and we even have some spread, chocolate protein spread and strawberries, everything, so yeah.
Didn't you? We bought the spread, so yeah, nice.
He never listens to me when I say something.
I was busy with the surfboard, so...
Okay.
So let's cook the pancakes.
Out for a little adventure this afternoon. So we are going to Zarautz, buy food of course, because there's like this awesome path that leads to the beach, and we will show you where we surfed 2 days ago and probably tomorrow and the next day again.
We've already spotted some nice defenders equipped for overlanding, so we're going to visit them and give them a sticker of Land Rover Alliance on Instagram. And nobody's home at the Defender here behind me, so we put the sticker behind the window. And the other Defender is already gone, sad but true. And we arrived here in Zarautz. Time to explore the city.
We come from over there, so we just walked down the hill, walked along the coastline, and now we are here. And also, I have been thinking about this for a very long time, and I've wanted to do this for a very long time as well. So I was thinking about putting a nose piercing right here, and maybe now is the perfect timing. We found a piercer here in Zarautz. I think this afternoon we will go check if she has time, maybe today or maybe in the upcoming days, we will see. But
and I think it's pretty cool.
Yes. I have an appointment for tomorrow evening, so from then on I have a piercing in my nose.
And good morning, or better said good afternoon, because it's already 2 o'clock, and as you can see I'm wearing my rain jacket because the whole morning it was raining and we had to set up our rain cover. Now I'm going to set up our longboard from Decathlon and we're going to surf this afternoon, I guess.
And hello from me as well. We are getting changed in our swimsuits and then we are quickly heading down to the beach because it's rather cold up here. But we are taking the GoPro with us today and we will try and show you us surfing in the water finally. So hopefully good day today. So.
And hopefully some nice shots as well.
Yes.
So fingers crossed.
And we already switched boards just to carry them because my arms are too short. And sorry in advance for the shitty quality of sound, but we left the microphone at the tent of course, as we will head in the water with the GoPro. So doing all these stairs while carrying your board is the perfect warm-up, so we are ready to get in the water. Hey guys, we are already back down at the beach in Zarautz, but showered and dressed up in the meantime. We gotta go fast because we are already late, which is not cool. And I have a very exciting appointment because in 10 minutes probably I have a piercing in my nose, so...
No more pain. Sorry. Motherfuckers.
I didn't even plan.
So yeah, now I officially have a piercing in my nose. I think my parents will kill me. I still have to call them and I think I will do it right now before they see it on Instagram. So.
And I think it's really nice and also sexy, so I don't mind.
Supportive boyfriend.
And when it changes to a closed ring, it will be even nicer. So now for 1 month she has to wear it like this for the healing process, so I don't mind.
I still have to get used to it, but I'm already really happy with it and it's cool and I will keep it, of course. So the city definitely feels much more alive in the evening. It's way more pleasant now than when you come in the afternoon, for example. And we are going for dinner. It was not easy to find something where we have like lots of vegetarian choice, but I think we found something. So
yeah, if they have a veggie burger, I'm a happy person.
Of course.
And good morning, the sun is shining and we're already on the way to the beach because we will have another surf session. The waves aren't that big, so we have the longboard with us and Leah's shortboard.
For Kevin.
But I think we will switch boards eventually, so I have a nice wave too.
First full day with a piercing in my nose. The night went well, it didn't hurt, but I do feel that it's there, and I just hope that if I crash in the sea I don't get a board against my face or something, but as the waves are rather little today, that shouldn't be a problem. So
and the waves also look a lot better than yesterday because there's not so much wind, so yeah, hopefully nice waves for us.
They look clean, and yesterday they were like wild, and yeah.
Let's go.
Finally, a nice, good, clean wave. It was about time.
Home sweet home after a rather good session. Tonight is our last night here in Zarautz and we're meeting up with some friends in San Sebastian to eat something. But first, a little snack.
About our surf session. So I'm like stuck in this negative spiral. I'm not really enjoying surfing right now because I really want to film something and have some good shots to put in the vlog, but I'm way too busy with looking if the camera is filming, if it's on video, and then I miss the good waves, and I had some good waves but the camera wasn't on, so it sucks. And I think from next week I will just put the camera away more often so I can really focus on the wave and enjoy it to the fullest. Back in San Sebastian because tonight we have a double date with one of my friends and her boyfriend. I haven't seen her in a very long time because of Corona.